No BS, no guru talk, no start a business and grind for 10 years advice. These are real, lazy, set it and forget it methods that actually work in 2025. And the best part, you can start today. Method number 1, YouTube automation. No filming, no showing your face, no editing. You just outsource everything. You use AI tools for scripts and an AI voice for narration. Hire an editor from Fiverr or Upwork. Upload and boom, passive ad revenue and affiliate links. Method number 2, AI design digital products on Etsy. Think planners, journals, wall art, coloring books. You use ChatGPT for content, Canva for layout, and boom, you've got a product. Upload it once, sell it forever. Method number 3, AI-powered niche blogs plus affiliate links. You don't write a word. AI handles everything. Pick a niche like gadgets, health, or finance. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts. Monetize with affiliate links. You can use tools like Koala or Surfer SEO to optimize it automatically. So yeah, these methods are real, lazy, and working in 2025. You're either watching others make passive money or you're next. Which lazy method are you gonna try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want full step-by-step tutorials for each method, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out.